get a section.
The National Institute of Fashion Technology Nift, Shillong, celebrated the graduation of its 2023 batch amidst the scenic beauty of Sauli, Maudyangdyang, Shillong. The graduation ceremony was graced by the chief guest, Miss Jasmina Ziliang, a cultural entrepreneur renowned for her contribution to the craft sector. Ms. Ziliang, in her address, emphasized the importance of leveraging talents and resources to drive a positive transformation, echoing the Institute's commitment to empowering students to make a difference in the world. Mr. Shankar Kumar Jha, the campus director, extended his congratulations to the graduating batch of 2023 comprising 66 graduates.
न्यायपूर्वक, ईमानदारी एवं जिम्मेदारी के साथ अपना पेशागत कार्य करूंगी कि मैं व्यक्ति विशेष की प्रतिष्ठा एवं व्यवसाय की अखंडता को बनाए रखूंगी।
There are 523 houses